Hi, this is Esther Young. Today I'm going to show how to create the void form. If I go to 3D view, here is still usual column, but if I click on there and rotate it around, you can see that it's empty in the middle. So by creating a void form, you'll be able to create the empty shell that way in an easier way. So first of all, I created more reference planes, and through that I go to create void form extrusion. There are different kinds that you can create, and from there I select this 4 lines and green click, and right there you can change the extrusion end to be longer or shorter, and that's it. What you can do also is to dimension it. Then do the same thing that you normally would do in a family to add new parameters. Let's say to make it void. Like that, and to control it through the parameters that you set up, you can also link it back to the width and depth so that you don't have to always update it, and it will just automatically flex. One thing that I think I did it wrong though is that the reference plane did not show up on here. So it's something that I need to fix really quick. There's lots of lines. There we go. And then name them. And a name that you will recognize. This is top, front. Oh, I deleted it. Here we go. To name. It's already in used. Okay, so I guess what I did wrong was that I set up the reference plane right here within the void. That's why we weren't able to see it. Okay, so that's something that you want to be aware of. So I'll just delete those since it's already in there. But here it